He's on the takeoff roll, smoke on, just a very short roll. Don't take your eyes off of Kirby as he takes this airplane right straight up. On takeoff, hold it there with that light coming. Pulling it on the cobra roll, once again on the prop, the second time, fifth takeoff, holding it right there, making a helicopter out of this Cisco 540. Only Kirby, look at that, jump to north. Now he is above stall speed. He was just below it. Knife edge pass. Have you ever seen that takeoff, coming back here performing for us?